product tips by Richard. I am opening a 126 gigabyte iPad A16, the brand new version. The edges, as I understand it, on this version are much more beveled, not rounded, much more defined. So this will be interesting. We got this under the student discount, so yay. You got to get the ASMR response. So satisfying, as my children say. All right, here we go, opening. And always the Apple packaging is very cool. All right, so it's blue. I like that blue, that's nice. This is a family iPad because my daughter needs one. We'll probably let her use it a lot. Or maybe even get her own. Gotta get the ASMR response. Nice, okay. Here we go. Zoom out a little bit and get in the whole thing. Oh, very nice. Can put it in my hand. Oh, I already got fingerprints on it, of course. Let's see what, oh, I like the edge. The edges are much thicker, it feels like, but I don't have a real current iPad, so this is maybe how it's been. I don't know. Has it been this way? All right. Of course, in the packaging, you get all the designed in California, made in China, paperwork. Let's see what else we got in here. There's lots of stuff, man. This is wild. All right. Oh no, that's it for that. iPad. Okay. How does the iPad work? You turn it on, you swipe up. There's, it's pretty simple. Oh, this is iPad directions in every single language, just in case you need it in. Wow, are you serious? Okay, well, I guess just in case. Like, there's a lot of languages there, man. Can they not just put it in one? Okay, I mean, Apple is saving the planet. Promise you, they're saving the planet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 10 things. And plus all these, what are these? I guess they have to do them legally, maybe. I do not know. And then the cable is USB-C. I have to say, I like they get dirty quick, I notice on my phone, but the USB-C that they have with this kind of this, what is this, kind of clothy, it feels way more durable. Now, I've only had my phone for a very short time, the new phone with the USB-C, but I like this cable better. It feels more durable. Actually, when you do it and wrap it up in, roll it up, like I roll mine up a lot. I try to store it or put it in my backpack or something. It does feel just more durable to me. But dumb thing, this is dumb, and I'm just gonna say these are product tips. You have to buy the base for this. If you're getting a new USB-C and you've never used USB-C before, you have to buy the base. No base comes with it. And so I actually went ahead and bought another base. They're getting money on you hand over fist. It's so stupid. Okay, so here I'm noticing that the camera and everything, I don't know if you can see it, see if I can get an angle where you can see it. There it is. The camera and the, what is that? That's maybe a microphone hole. See that small little bit right there? That's the microphone, and it's horizontal, not vertical. Does that make sense? So I wonder if, I can't see if there's a camera on the top. The camera must be horizontal, not vertical. That's new, that's different. I have not seen that. Maybe is that new on this iPad? Help me out, folks. I have not kept up with the technology in iPads. I can't keep up with technology anymore. But that is new to me, because every other iPad I've had has had the camera up here. You need to refocus. Yeah, the camera up here, not here. So that's cool. That may be actually nice to take landscape video, but I don't know. I mean, I don't know if you do a lot of stuff on the iPad for landscape and whatnot, then the camera on the back, a light, and the camera, just one. So you'll definitely have to get a case because this sticks out. You see that? That is gonna, just anybody who is interested in buying an iPad, that sticks out. Definitely. Here you can see a better profile. I mean, it sticks out quite a bit. Same for the new phones, but here, let's turn it on and have a look. And the Apple logo comes up, of course. And then they say, hello, hello, hello. All right. In all sorts of different languages. This is, yeah, the new iPad. All right. You go up, you scroll up. We're going to hit English. We're in Germany. And we'll come back when everything's set up. So after setting up, we're going to get started. Welcome to iPad. Get started. Okay, 80% charged. It comes 80% charged. So it kind of comes with the, oh wow, interesting. Nice. When you swipe all the way over, you get the widgets. This is probably set up kind of like factory. I'm not sure because my phone kind of looks like this. Maybe I just have my phone set up in factory settings where I swipe over and the widgets come up like that. Cool. Really cool. Brightness is pretty good. Let's swipe down and see what we can do here. Brightness up. Audio, let's see. Let's get something, play something real quick. Oh, I don't know if I can play some of the music that I have without getting, oh, this is some of my, just to see kind of what the audio feels like. I love this one. Let's see. Oh, no, not let me play it because I don't. Okay. I'm not terribly impressed with that. I guess all the way up is pretty good for a room. Okay, well, interesting. Yeah. Oh, vibrance on that's pretty good. Okay. There's no home button again. I mean, I have an old iPad. If I have an iPad, it's old. So no home button, more like the phone. Just the buttons on the side, volume up and down, and the fingerprint button. We actually, when we were setting it up, we did 2 fingerprints. I think it might be able to take more fingerprints. So we have 2 people who can unlock it, as well as the code, the unlock code. So that's cool. Yeah, I mean, it does look pretty brilliant. Let's see if I can log into some app and look at a video and see what that looks like. Oh, let's just see if I can go to YouTube. We'll come back in a minute. All right, so I just got onto YouTube, my own account. This is my own other YouTube account. So let's see how it goes. I think
Christ applied to his account yet. He has not repented from his sins, and he has not, by faith, trusted in the atoning work of Jesus Christ. You can't plead the blood. You can't apply the blood of Jesus Christ to something. So there's this
Okay, interesting. That's my other account. Let's see what else I could possibly. This is my account on YouTube. Man, it looks nice in a YouTube layout. That's cool for YouTube. Off the camera, it looks good. This is the back-facing camera. Then, of course, here we go, and then it switches, and it does this. But interesting. Oh, you can still take a vertical picture, but the camera is definitely right here, not up here. So, yeah, good, new position. But what I can imagine is that you're taking a picture and you put your finger to snap the picture over, see, over the, and you got a big fat thumb in the picture. Check it out. Because you put your thumb over. I wonder if you can position the controls. Oh, you could do this. And then it's over here. Because the camera then is over here. You rotate the thing. So you got to pay attention that you're not taking a picture with your thumb in front of the lens. All right. That's cool. Let's see. You got all, I don't know what I really don't know what the camera, if this is a great camera or not. It probably takes work focus suggestions. So that was a notification. Here, let's see. I want to be able to see how you can, you can zoom out too. Cool. And then, let's see, where is, how do you control, video. I want to go see what video settings they have. Here we go. And then HD, HD 60, but that does not look HD. It's 720. They have HD and 720, and you can do 60 frames a second in HD, but that front camera does not look like HD, I'll be honest. It looks really grainy. But okay, let's flip it over. Oh, that's sharper, actually. It feels sharper. Maybe it's so close, so zoomed in that it's not. All right, so then swap over here and have a look. Oh, I have my finger on it that way. Okay, this is 60. The back-facing camera is obviously going to be better. 60, that looks way crisper, way sharper. And then you can do 4K, 60, 24 frames a second, 30 frames a second, and 60 frames a second at 4K. So it shoots in 4K. That's good to know. I will probably use that. I might even use that as one of my cameras in my other show. So that's really good to know, really useful. And then, you've got all the other apps. We just added YouTube. YouTube looked great. I might really use it much more when I'm kind of looking at videos on YouTube. The unboxing of the iPad. I got a 128 gigabyte because I didn't think we might need that much. The new A16, brand new. I guess it came out really recent. I don't know when it came out. But things that I don't care about. Cable's great. Cable here is great. I like the cable. But doesn't come with a station. Doesn't come with a charging stand. That's dumb. That's really dumb, and Apple should fix that. If they want to fix that, that would be really nice for people to be able to buy everything that you need. If you don't have any charging things, I had to buy one because we didn't have one for this. So I don't appreciate that, but nice screen, very nice look. Overall happy, except for the cable thing that doesn't come. Yeah, and then flip it over, really nice. I like the blue look, very good. Kind of hard to see that color in there, but you can kind of see there. Yeah, that's this brand new iPad box opening. Thanks for tuning in to Product Tips with Richard. Take care.